see mama, she don't tell her. I ain't telling cause I give you umbrella.
Hi, welcome to the Pink Polo Tournament 2024. We're at Accra Polo Club. We're here to raise money for breast cancer awareness with Run With A Cure. R&R is a sponsor of one of the teams today because we strongly believe in supporting research around breast cancer because prevention is much better than cure. Please come next year. We're going to be doing it bigger and better. We're very, very grateful to be part of this and to be changing lives.
That's the way you do me, yeah.